Hey guys, Jen Cunnings here, and coming to you today to share a couple of tips that you may not know about how to boost your energy, how to increase your vitality, especially as we are currently in the winter months in the Northern Hemisphere anyway. People tend to stay inside and sometimes we get a little extra tired. I've heard complaints about fatigue and have even been feeling a little lower energy myself. So when these happen, there are so many easy things that we can do that don't require a lot of time, a lot of effort to give us that extra boost. So I'm going to share 5 tips on how to boost your energy, increase your vitality, and then we will do a quick light language energy transmission so that anytime you need a little extra boost, you can just grab this video, fast forward a little bit, and just listen to the energetic words, the light language, so that you can feel a little more energy. So, tip number 1, easiest thing, get out in the sun. Whether it's cold or warm outside, just standing in the sun, asking to receive the rays, imagine the sun coming into your body, breathing it in. What I like to do is to get outside, get my bare feet on the earth, we'll talk about earthing in a minute, and just look up. And if the sun, is too high in the sky, you obviously don't want to look directly at it. If it's just rising or setting, you can, and you could Google sun gazing to get some more information about that. But if you just have your eyes closed, like let's say it's midday, and you can just ask to receive the energy of the sun, because the sun comes through, there's literal energetic waves that are coming in. So you can receive that, just ask and just get out there. Now, while you're out there in the sunshine, kick those shoes off and get your bare feet on the earth. If you haven't heard of earthing, look it up. It's similar to the sun. There's energy emanating from the earth, and we can tap it. Just like we can tap the sun rays, we can tap the earth energy. But we've got to get our bare feet on the earth. And we're so used to being inside, and we've got all this EMF stuff going around us. So this helps us to also clear and detoxify. So get outside, bare feet on the ground, and similarly to the sun, we're just going to breathe that earth energy up. Imagine that as you're breathing in, the earth is sending like a fountain of energy to help connect you to your body, to receive these kind of neutralizing frequencies from the earth to kind of clear and detoxify. So it can just, ideally, if you could get out there and put your feet on the ground and hang out in the sun for about 20 minutes, great. If not, just 5 minutes, right? Just anything will support you. As you're doing these, as you're feeling into the sun and the earth, you can also imagine calling in the elements, the element of wind, the element of fire, the element of water. Just imagine energy just fueling you, filling up your gas tank, okay? So much about energy is intention. So we can tap into these resources while also bringing our intention to the table to help boost that up. Now, while you're doing all of that, we can bring in some breathing, because that's the other tip, is just taking some deep breaths. They can be slow, they can be fast, they can be deep, they could even be shallow. We're not going to use this video to go into different breathing techniques, but you could Google breath work and begin to take deeper breaths. Imagine the breath filling your whole body. I like to do some fast breathing. So I'll take 2 quick inhales and then a quick exhale. So it's kind of like, and do that for about a minute. All that oxygen comes in, it oxygenates your blood, your brain, your body, and really helps to give you a lift. So the other tip I have about boosting your energy is dry brushing. So you get a brush that's got a natural bristle. The bristle, the brush side is about this big and with a handle on it. And again, you can Google this. This isn't, a training thing. This is just giving you guys ideas. And the dry brushing, you just go through your whole body, from your feet to your hands, all the way up to the heart. And there's an actual flow that you can follow. There's all sorts of wonderful YouTube videos. Maybe I'll even link a few below here so that you can find one where you know the direction of the brush, because what this does is it clears out and detoxifies our bodies. It opens up the lymphatic system and pumps all that through to eliminate, but it's extremely energizing. Like if I get out of the shower, I'm feeling tired in the morning, and then I do my dry brushing routine, which maybe takes me 5 minutes. It is super, super energizing. So lastly, and this is kind of a no-brainer, just getting out and getting some movement, going for just a quick walk, doing some yoga poses with some deep breaths, easily boost your energy. So there's all sorts of ways. These are just some ones that maybe you hadn't considered before. Really easy, doesn't cost you anything. Get out there in the sun. It's so important to be in the sunshine every single day. It helps to regulate our circadian rhythms. It helps us with sleep. Speaking of sleep, it's also helpful to get off the screens an hour before bed and turn off the blue light. You can move over to the night shift, and that will also help with your energy, because if you're staring at screens all day and you're in the EMFs, that can also create fatigue. So some simple, easy things for you to boost your energy, increase your vitality. And last but not least, I want to share with you just a brief light language transmission so that, again, you can just grab this video. It's about 6.5 minutes in, and just listen to the words, listen to the energy, receive the energy so that you can kind of elevate your energy, increase it, expand it, lighten it, and brighten it. All right. So all you have to do is listen, even if it sounds weird. Just let the energy come through, be open to receive. All right, so we're just gonna bring in this beautiful sunshine of energetic light, asking that the light language come through to assist you in optimizing your energy and increasing. All right, so here we go. Ke to onia na mera sotoni e to kutu urua satana shata wana me e kwa sotonu ia te koru u satana me yato shokwa. Ya mere sotoni na moro koru oru e tanara satana e shata kwa sani e te ke sotoni e te mo oana sati. Kia nere sotoni yara shana mo ori e tenere satani e ke tono oru o asate shana ma. Kia na mere shoto yana mere sotoni na mera kwa yana mere ke to ia na moro kusu ia ni. Eto noa satana ma shata shana mere shoto kia sa dea no ore sata shana more kete nere sutoni enemy. Just imagine your body being filled with light, almost like you're filling your gas tank of the body with light, liquid sunshine. Receive that from the words. Imagine the sun coming in. Imagine the earth filling you up. Kona sato yana mere eto ohana marasa. Kia nere shato ni yana moro kuru ita na mere soto yana mere ki kane e soto no wasate shiki a. Kwasana moro kuru ita na eto no wasana shana moya na kia sono oa hane e sata yana mere. Kia na mere soto ni yana moro kuru e shata sanoru ore e sata shana ma. And this is our light bodies expanding, our energetic bodies expanding, which helps to support the physical body. Kwasana shoshona maria soto yana mere shete kesani eto noro uru kwasana shoto jama shete ki. So just imagine you can turn the light up in your body. You can imagine there's like a sun in your heart space, and you can just turn that up. And then as that brightens, it expands really, really big, really expansive, really bright. Kwasana mere shoto yana kia sani eto hu yana me eto oana soto shana mo soto ikiana me eto oana ete kasoto uro shata sana me kuani kototo uro sata shana masati. Kia shanori yana moro kuda ariana mere keshoto yana mara soto nina moro kua ne ete kani ere kesoto niata sonua sana mere sheki. Also coming through is an energy of being able to hold more light in your body, being able to receive more light in your body. So we can just invite in some light codes to be received. The more loving we are in our heart space, the more light we can receive. So lightening up that heart energy. Hiane soto ianama soto yane e soto shunimiri kita yanere e shutuasana sata yati isidiki. Kwama sotoriana marosotoyana mo shutukoshana masateyane. Hane sotono yete emorokore eshana mosatayana sotoa. All right. So we're just lightening up that heart, and just allowing it to get bigger, brighter, more expansive, letting the light get into the spaces that may have been wounded or any pain we're holding in the heart. So we're just lightening, brightening the heart so we can increase the energy in our bodies. All right, so thanks so much for listening. Again, you can just grab this video anytime. Just listen to the energy words as you're driving or walking, or maybe you wake up in the morning and you're feeling extra tired. If I can be of support to you, you can find me at jencunnings.com. I would love for you to like and comment on this video. Let me know how you're doing and feeling. And I hope you have a wonderful, energetic, love-filled day. All right, take care. Bye, guys.